I should take off my jacket. Take off my jacket. What it do, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I actually need to update my link tree. I have not updated my link tree. Jesus. All right, let's start pulling out the news and see if we're gonna have any news. What it do, Basti? All right, so after the FOMC meeting, we have had no news, and we're gonna have probably like a little normal Asian session, probably not too volatile, nothing crazy. I like the Asian session live stream because I can watch it in class. Oh, that's lit. You over here actually learning something instead of in class just goofing around. Well, the obvious that we're looking at right now is clearly that we have some really good gold sells. I mean, if we'd be paying attention to why we could be possibly gold set. What the hell did I just do here? I don't know what is this? What are the best pairs to trade during Asian session? We could start with GBP NZD, USD JPY, CAD JPY, GBP AUD, AUD NZD. I have the little list right here on the right hand side. We're gonna be looking at gold because gold moves just as well. You think we could actually, and a lot of the time I don't like taking this type of trade. You guys know that I call this momentum candlestick, indicating that we must have momentum to the upside. But right here, this looks like bearish price action, boys. I think the sell looks pretty obvious. Maybe, but the thing is that it looks a little too obvious. You know, whenever those trades that look just a little too obvious and you don't want to take it because literally just because of that, it looks like, I call it the noob setups. It's totally fine. We actually had a very short London stream. Very, very short London stream. So I think today we're going to have a short Asian stream, but London session is going to be really long. We're going to have a really long London session today, boys. Let me... Hold up, finish setting up everything. Basically still waiting for everybody to pull up. Oh my god, I hate doing this shit. There we go. What it do, bang? What it do, bang? Ah, everything's straight, everything's straight. Let's see what we got. Mute that. All right. Now I need to switch channels. Yeah. I came here after 2 months. What's going on? Weedy, you missed the NAS 100. NAS 100 is moving right now. Man, US 30 was a whole nother beast today. Jesus Christ. I'm not sure if you guys have checked out my Instagram story. Those are all the accounts that I'm trading. I'm currently passing a whole bunch of challenges, and I slaughtered literally all the fucking challenges in a good way. Go check out my personal Instagram right there. If you're not on the Discord, you're on the Discord. We have a new Discord for anybody who is first time here in a while. And I sent the spreadsheet. Nonetheless, what was I saying right now? I got completely confused, thrown off. Forgot what I was saying. That I slaughtered all the challenges I'm passing. I made 5% on one of them. On one of them, I made a goddamn 5%. No more. How much did I make? Let me see. It was a 50K. I think I made like $8,000. We're on drawdown. Where is it? $2,800. I made $2,800 on a 5K, 50K. FOMC was wild. I know, dude. Just rebranding, Weedy. Boys, me looking at the chart right now, being on a 4-win streak, trying to take a high probable trade. Very high probable trade. And we've recently seen bearish price action with the most recent price action with gold has been bearish, right? So now the question I got to ask myself is, up 4% on GJ now. Jesus Christ. Got to ask myself, was this drop right here just another liquidity grab so we could keep on making new highs? All right, so what we got to do, we got to look at the monthly candlestick, right? New monthly candlestick closed right here as a, dude, that could be a continuation or it could be ready to retrace, truthfully. Let's look at the weekly. We got a new monthly, same weekly, no bottom wick. Nonetheless, it still looks like it's pushing. Dude. One's in the chat if you guys like buys with gold. Buy or sell on gold. What do you think we should be doing, boys? A little bit intimidated right now. All right, let's go look at GJ real quick. We're gonna do some top-down analysis right now. I think everybody that's gonna be joining for the session, I mean, we're missing a lot of people, but what is this? All right, GJ definitely looks like it needs to keep on melting. And yesterday we were in buys and we hopped out of the buys pretty quick because we did not like them after we hopped in them. And man, it was a great decision because London fucking was a bloodbath. Well, it ranged around for a little bit and then it did a bloodbath. Short on gold and hit the gap fill. It's such bullish price action. It's such a strong counter trend trade. Like, look how we're riding above the 8 SMA. Like, we could have broke it so many times and continued to the downside, but we didn't. All right. All right, my bad for the silence, boys. All right. GJ currently, all right, so GJ's actually moving with some volatility right now. I like the bass on this tune. I'm not even listening to the same music that you guys are. Well, I'm not even listening to music. All right, let's go look at the new monthly candlestick on GJ, boys. New monthly candlestick on GJ closed at resistance, right? So it closing at resistance. Remember, we treat these as magnet levels. I mean, I expect us to start going more bullish than bearish while I'm zoomed out on the monthly. Why? I mean, also on the weekly. Look at this. Like, we're still way above this 8 SMA. This is a break and retest of this level of support right there. Right? We have a strong level of support right here. This is the break and retest. It's crazy how I like gold sells, zoom out, but the buys look better, and then it's the opposite on GJ. boys, make sure you guys are in the Discord, because next trade that we take, I'm gonna send to the admin signals. And like I said, boys, we're on a 4-win streak, so let's try to get that 5-win streak right now. Oh, I didn't share the YouTube. I'm halfway. I'm passing my second phase. Also, one thing that I love about the sells on GG right now is that, man, look how we are so close. This is the 186 level right here. I'm gonna mark it out, 186 on the dot. I don't think that we're just gonna bounce off this 186. I mean, we went from all the way from 187 all the way to 186 instantly. I think that we have a chance that we're gonna trade within the 185s, 800s, 185 700s. And I told you guys the same thing when we were around the 189s, and then we went all the way down to 188. I was like, hey, we're at 188. That means that we have a strong chance of breaking 188. And like, it's not that these strong levels, we usually don't bounce at them. Truthfully, we usually don't. Hey bro, can you send Discord link, please? Boys, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure that you guys join the new Discord. There's a new Discord, right? The link is in the chat section right now as we speak. One of the smart things that I would be doing, like imagine I was by myself, not looking for a trade actively. Honestly, the smart thing that I'd be doing is waiting patiently for this to keep on melting. I wouldn't be trying to catch the sell, right? I'd be waiting for it to melt, not trying to catch the sell. Let it keep on coming to these stronger levels of support. And we know that GJ has been more bullish than bearish for the last 2-3 weeks. So it reaching these major levels of support, even if it's a counter trend trade, if we're taking buys at these strong levels, we have a very strong chance of getting to take profit 1, potentially take profit 2, trying to catch a runner. FX War Room, yes sir. Make sure you guys are in the Discord, boys. I'm sending the link again to the chat. Oh, I don't know what I just did. I've been meaning to ask what happened to Bush. Nothing, man. Nothing important. Just separations of business ideas. Miguel was trying to do some business ideas. I was trying to do other business ideas. And just, yeah, it's just better for everybody else. Looking fresh today, my boy. Yes, sir. Today I'm rocking the two-door. Got black face, diamonds in the bezel. Factory diamonds, though. Ooh, wee. Also got my other little good luck diamond bracelet full of, like, I don't know what the fuck this has. It's like pearls and I don't know what. Truthfully, got a little polo on. That's because I'm feeling good today, boys. We don't catch trade. We don't get our 5-win streak. I want to get on the win streak. Yeah. You gotta trust the process. Yes, sir. I'm a one-man band now by myself, handling still a whole bunch of what's up from Vegas. What it do, Rody? Rodri from Vegas. Man, I can't wait to go back to Vegas. I cannot wait. Ah, my nose. Looking fresh today. What up from Vegas? Man, I'm hoping that we have a... I wish I would have been here a little bit earlier, because me seeing this reject off this 8 SMA, I definitely would have been targeting a break of this 186 level. I mean, we're 12 pips away from 186. Boys, if you guys are into those little 1-minute scalps, I definitely don't recommend it. But if you are, I think we are going to... Before we hit 186 400, we're going to hit 185 900. You know? Where's Loof the Goof? Right? Loof the Goof. What type of name is that? All right, boys, give me a second. I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. Be back in less than 2 minutes. 3 minutes left. back and better. I apologize for the wait, boys. Thank you for your guys' patience. All right, what's stopping you? Oh my God, GJ. Well, that's that type of price action that we like seeing. Volatility, boys. I have a strong feeling, like I'm saying, we're going to trade within the 185 levels. I know that we're very bullish, and it's very weird for me to be seeking us to keep on melting, but man, just based off of past experience with GJ, when we come to these like when we hit these major levels, psychological levels, like closed numbers, we usually are like trying to break that level. We usually don't bounce off those levels. Like if we would have bounced, we probably would have bounced at 186, 250, 200, maybe 186, 10. You know, 186, 100, but we're at 186 on the dot. I think we're breaking that. But we're late for the trade, right? We're late for the trade. So what does that mean? Now we start scoping out what are the possibilities of it actually being along, seeing if we actually have some confirmations, and if not, we wait for the next wave to come. That's what it is to be a professional trader, right? We're not going to try to hop into the sell that's already happening. Just because even if we understand that it's going to sell out, even if we really believe it's deep down, if we know it's not a valid entry, and we know the probabilities are not in our favor due to the fact that we don't have the best entry possible, we are not taking the trade. That's simple, right? There's no need to be in a trade. Cash is a position. I don't know, a lot of people, that's a stock term, saying cash is a position. And I think it's a great term. It's a great term that a lot of people need to start using Forex more. Look at gold go. Thank God we didn't hop in no sell on gold. Thank God we didn't hop in no buy on GJ. Patience is paying off, boys. We've been on only for, wow, 24 minutes. All right. Remember, boys, we're going to have a London session stream today. It's also scheduled. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys are there for the London session stream. Yesterday's London session stream was really short due to the fact that I wasn't feeling well. Nonetheless, we're going to have a very long London session stream tonight. Today, the Asian session stream is not going to be too long. We're kind of just scoping out the market, seeing if we actually get to catch a trade. And if we don't, we're going to just have a plan ready for, you know, maybe pre-London session, London session. Anybody in the chat, anybody that's in the chat right now, do they trade, does anybody in the chat right now trade Asian session like as their main thing? Is Asian session their go-to? Is anybody Asian session trader? Because I'm a London session trader. Nonetheless, yesterday in Asian session, or was it yesterday or the day before, we called out 2 trades, and then we called out 2 trades in London. We literally got 4 wins in one day. And we only usually call out 1 trade session. It was just such clean price action. Oh shit, where's my phone? All right. All right, sometimes I work in the New York and London. I can't stay up often. I totally understand. I mean, I got used to staying up at that time, like trading London session, and it's just, I'm so used to the movement in London session. And then if I don't get the trades that I like that I could just like, if I'm trading London session, if I usually don't get the trades that I like, I kind of just easily get off the charts, reset myself, and know that there's going to be a big, you know, another big session coming up very soon. And then the crossover. The crossover is the London New York crossover is obviously the best possible time to be trading due to the fact that there's volatility. When there's volatility, you have a lot of opportunity. You know, you could be a buyer and you could be a seller, and you could be making money on both. I like that we're rejecting. We could possibly target the break of this 186 level live on stream right now. See how things change so quick? The market's telling us one thing, then it could just switch up and tell us another. We got to be able to identify those. No, I used I use it to spot corrections or setups for the next session. A lot of the times, TP and Asian from the day. Yeah, 100%. You use also, like, you could look at Asian highs and Asian lows for London session and use them as targets, or use them as like references on when you could start getting into a potential sell, like at the break of Asian lows. Yeah, you need to be paying attention to your session highs and session lows. I definitely do agree with that. Now, I'm potentially going to take a sell really soon. I just need to find the reasons why this could actually be a buy setup, and the only thing that I could actually see this being a buy setup is it being a major level of support. But like, still such a, like, I don't know, man, not even like a double bottom type shit. Like, this is, I think this is meant to get disrespected. Excuse my French. What about the chat? What does the chat think? One's in the chat if you guys think that we're bullish. Two's in the chat if you guys think that we're bearish. What does the chat think right now, boys? Bling says it's going bearish. All right, get off the 1 minute chart. We're gonna get freaking confused there. Go take a look at gold real quick. Oh shit, do you think gold, dude, gold is the one that I want to take sells on so bad. I feel like it might humble me though. I feel like it's gonna just rally the second I hop into buys. AFX Elite says sells, man, and damn, maybe we are bearish on GJ. Bearish on GJ should mean, I mean, nah, the correlations on GJ and gold have not been holding to be true. Cuando estamos juntos, no necesito nada. Maybe we could go for a 30 pip stop and drop. At 30 pips, we're not going to get stopped out, but we'll definitely go into profit. 35 pip? I think I like 35. Boys, get ready to enter and sell. Get ready to enter and sell 35 pip stop loss. Stop loss at 450, basically. 186,450. And enter now. We're at 186,100. Let me enter myself. 186,100, 186,100. All right, my official entry is at 186,100 right here. $450. Boys, make sure you guys are in the Discord. I'm gonna send the signal here to make it a little bit more. Paste. Take that off. This is a caps sell. 186 dot. Oh. Alrighty. Buenas noches, Aurelio. 186 area looking strong, says Kevo. I'm waiting to see if it fills the central point of the 186.6, and I'm selling. Good luck, guys. I hope it goes your way this sell. Thank you very much, brother. I don't need your luck, though. I'm just kidding. Imagine. Imagine. Go to the W. Nope. That boy Kevo was like, damn, bro. Man, Kevo was a joke, man. I scared my dog. I laugh so loud. Are you in this? Of course. Of course. I am fucking passing challenges with this trade, brother. I am fucking passing challenges with this trade. We probably got multiple people in this chat that I'm passing their challenge and they see their phone, and we are in this trade. And we're in this trade. I'm not gonna say about the lot size, but we're in this trade. And we ain't in it light. Donnie. Well, where's everybody in the chat from, guys? And also, boys, we haven't had a giveaway in this channel since goddamn knows when, right? We need everybody to start saying spam like. We need everybody to start typing in the chat where they're from, because when people start typing in the chat where they're from, everybody else starts typing. And then if we start spamming like, I'm pretty sure people will start liking, and then we could actually do a giveaway. And then I could cheat one of my OGs into winning and not like one of the fucking people that just randomly showed up for the first time ever. I caught a hell. We got Germany in the house. Shout out to Germany, man. Australia, Brad Dawkin. Is your name Brad Dawkin? Dude, that's like the guy from Good Good. Pakistan, Denmark. I think it's going to be a long trade. Hopefully, at least it didn't say losing trade. I think we need to wait for this candlestick to close where it is, and the next candlestick's going to open with momentum to the downside. Hopefully, we do not get stopped out. No habrá preguntas, solo respuestas. STL. What does that mean? Germany is bullish, bro. Every person has depression. Germany is bullish. I am so confused on what that means. I feel like a goddamn savage for taking a sell at this level. I just do not believe that this 186 level is actually going to hold. And even if we do see a little bit of rejections, man, we've pushed all the way down to this 186 for a reason. This right here, all this indication right here does not tell me buy. It really doesn't. So therefore, you know, every 10 times out of 10, I know that 10 times out of 10 I'd see this setup and I'd probably take the sell. And I know 10 times out of 10, maybe more times than not, you know, it would probably take profit depending on the entry or depending on the volatility. I'm not worried about this trade at all though. Sometimes I get into really bad trades and I'm not worried at all and they lose, but sometimes I get into really good trades and I know I'm not worried at all and they just fucking smash, like the last 4 trades we've taken. And then there's trades that I feel weird about and then they just fucking smash. This trade, I wouldn't tell you which one of the 4 or 3 options I gave you it is, but I'm pretty sure I feel pretty confident about it. Do you ever add to your winning trades? Hell yeah, of course. Of course. I mean, it really depends on I mean, it's when I'm using dynamic risk 100%. If I'm going to risk $1,000 in this full stop loss. Oh, this looks like a momentum candle to the downside. Momentum candle. Go. No top wick. No top wick straight down. No top wick straight down. Come on. Come on. Let me teach the community what I know. Let me teach the community what I know. Drop. Drop, bitch. Drop and give me 30. Drop and give me 30. Drop and give me 30. Yes, sometimes that is a better question, and yes to both. Drop and give me 30. Come on. Is that a perfect example of the momentum candlestick for those who always hear it and never believe it? Does that change how you guys see the momentum candlestick right there, or you're not convinced yet? And it's fine if you're not convinced yet. I'm not trying to fucking, I'm not here trying to change your guys' mind, change your guys' trading style. I'm just trying to see if I could open your eyes to different, you know, ways and different manners and different, you know, abilities. And the drop and give me 30. There you go. It's dropping. Now it just needs to give me the 30. Don't you want some new roller? Man, I've been looking at that Daytona. I can't afford a goddamn Daytona. I wish I could afford a Daytona. I could afford little boy Rolexes. But the second you bring out that Daytona, I think I need to fucking reach 10% in a little bit more times. Are you going to hold to TP2? It really depends on how much volume comes with the trade. I mean, we have a chance of flipping bullish right now and then trying to engulf this. Like, we're not 100% set and ready to go. I mean, we're at a strong level of support. I mean, it's just not a bad way to start the trade, right? But we could come back into break even and draw down. I agree. It needs to break. It needs to drop and give me 30. My girl screamed. What the hell are you doing? The thing is, man, a lot of people, when I start screaming into the mic, their emotions start going all over the place. So I love doing it to kind of like start testing you guys. Like whenever the chart's melting and I start screaming, I know that all you guys start fucking, your hearts start pumping quicker. And you start getting that little adrenaline rush that you guys love so much. Take your emotions out the trade. Do you guys know what that means? How do you take your emotions out the trade? I've talked about it many times. Does anybody have, I mean, for those who do know the answer because they've heard me say it, don't say it right away. Don't say it right. Let's see if somebody else has the answer that is paying attention, never heard me give the answer. How do you take your emotions out the trade? There's a couple answers, but it all really revolves around one. Close your eyes. No. No. Closing your eyes, no. If anything, that makes your heart panic even more. There's only one way to take emotions out the trade. There's only one way to take emotions out the trade, boys. Well, one answer could be you can't take your emotion out the trade. It's impossible. As long as we're designed to like this dollar amount, and winning a trade and losing a trade is what determines like whether we move forward and not. Like, I'm like, I don't know, you just can't literally just walk up to, it's like going to a casino and trying to bring in $1,000, bring your last $1,000 ever and being like, oh, no emotions. Like, of course you're fucking like there's emotions, right? All right, so let's get established. So there's close to zero chance that you could take your emotions completely 100% out the trade, right? So what do you do, Duncan? What do you do as a trader to try to not get so emotional and stop closing out early and actually letting it run? You don't there's only one way to do it, boys. And the answer is such a shitty answer. Like, most of you guys are gonna be like, oh, this motherfucker. The answer is managing risk. The answer is managing risk. That's the only way to take your emotion out the trade. Now, let me explain myself. If I know that I'm risking $50 in this trade, so that means this whole stop loss right here is $50. $50 to me is nothing. I mean, I'm not saying, I'm speaking hypothetically. All right, $50 to me is nothing. And then it's another $50 once I get to take profit one. If I start going halfway to stop loss, I'm not going to be scared about getting to take profit. It's just going to be another loss. It's going to be just like another goddamn loss. It's kind of like when you're goddamn driving on the road and then a red light hits in front of you. You're not upset and pissed and crying that there's a red light. No, you're just like, all right, probabilities didn't come into my favor this time. I had to stop the car, you know, maybe the next time it'll happen. And so my point goes to say, like, while I'm reaching drawdown, and while I reach my stop loss, I'm only down $50 or I'm only down 1%. I'm not trying to rush out my trade. It's an irrelevant number. It's super small. Just like when I hit take profit one, I'm not going to rush to close my trade. Why? Because it's just 1%. It's, you see, most people, it's impossible for them to take their emotions out of the trade because when they're in profit, they wish they would have risked more. Listen to me, boys. Every trader, when they're in profit, they wish they would have risked more. Then they're in drawdown, and then you wish you would have risked less. We're just greedy human beings. Like there's no answer to it, right? So what do you have to do? You have to find that perfect number that you will not cry your highs out as you get to stop loss, and you will not start fucking celebrating your life away when you get to take profit one, right? You need to be able to have an emotionless response, right? As close as emotionless response to the markets as possible. And the only way to do that is not with the overtrading. It's not with overtrading. I mean, it's making sure that there's a perfect number, right? We all have that risk tolerance number. We all have a risk tolerance number that we could use. There's some that work better than others, but if you find that perfect number, and that number goes changing as you start, you know, developing as a trader and start making more money and start, you know, also advancing in your life, making more money. That's what I'm saying. That number will change, you know, that sweet spot number. You guys need to find that sweet spot number and abuse it. And now when you're using FTMOs, that sweet spot number is always going to be that 1%. So I'm down a couple pips, and it literally means absolutely nothing to me. There's no emotion in me that's fucking like, yeah, it really is irrelevant. It's just a little bit of drawdown. It's just a part of the trade. It's just another stoplight in the road to the destination, right? Bitch! Well, all right, the sooner you can, yes, the sooner you find out that sweet spot number, the sooner you'll be able to control your psychology. 100%. I agree. I agree. So this would be a good scaling position. Like I'm saying, boys, we're at 186,200. Where's 186 on the dot? 186 on the dot is right here. I don't think that we're going to reject this level, and we're rejecting as we speak. I'm saying I don't think that we're going to reject it completely, like as in like just leave and go bullish after. I think that this 186 strong level that we have here, we're just waiting for a little bit more volatility to actually slaughter through it to the downside, you know, butter knife cut. Drop and give me 30. Sigo soñando contigo, soñando. Boys, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. The Discord is where you're going to find all my signals. If you guys want to ask about challenge passing, you guys would come to the open ticket section right here under challenge passing. You guys could ask as many questions as you guys want. You get my admin signals, and then in a few months from now, we will have a private VIP signal room and all that stuff. But right now, we're doing everything for free. Will you risk 1% if you're in 3 to 4% drawdown? Yes, 100% I will. Why? Because I have confidence in my trading ability, and I know that I just need to, you know, have the setups come my way. Risk 1%, make another 1%, boom, close out. All right, wait for that setup again. Risk 1%. All right, might lose, but I know more times that I'm gonna win, and therefore, yes, I could go 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%, and bring it all the way back. I'd be looking for a different type of setup though. I'd be looking for setups that I know that are gonna catch runners. If I know that the setup doesn't have a chance of having a runner, I most likely won't be taking that setup. Would I re-enter right now? I would re-enter right now, but also I would enter with the same exact stop loss that I had originally. So like if I'm going 35 pip stop loss here, I definitely would enter with the same 35 pip stop loss from here. I'm telling you. That's what would make the most sense. Man. Drop and give me 30. Drop and give me 30. Come on. I need to get this fucking trade out my way. Would you call this a liquidity sweep? Not really. I think that we're just in a range right now. I mean, we're at a major level of support, so seeing rejections is a normal thing. I mean, look at this level. We've just fucking been bouncing off of it for a while. So this is totally normal. Totally normal, not worried about it. It's literally, some might say it's part of the plan. All right, have you tried any other business models other than trading? Yeah, kind of. ¿Y esa música, bro? Bro, we will get back to putting good music in 2 days. Other business models, I mean, I've been a bookie for sports betting. I have obviously tried the same bullshit as everybody else, which is like e-commerce. What other little entrepreneurial? Why did you buy at support? I didn't buy at support. Sold. Where's el bosquito? The reason I'm selling at support is due to the fact that we have bearish price action happening right now, right? We already rejected this 186 level, 186 100 level. We rejected it, tried to trade above this 8 SMA. We did at one point, we did the little break and retest, as you can see, the retest is right there. And then out of nowhere, we started trading and we're back at this level of support, right? So now, I took a sell at this level of support due to the fact that we have, like Mr. Rook is saying, bearish momentum. We have bearish momentum right now. And even at this level of support, with there being low volatility, me taking a sell at this support and a whole bunch of people taking buys is what's like initiating me like to think that 100% that when this breaks, volatility is gonna come into the market, right? Also, one thing that I always teach when I'm trading, we're at the 186 level. 186 closed is right here. I don't think that we're going to bounce off this 186 strong psychological level. We usually, once we get to levels like this, we usually start breaking them and start trading within them. So what I'm trying to say is that we were at 187. We went from 187 to 186. Now we're at 186 and we've been hovering over 186, right? Well, better yet said, we were at 188, boys. Okay, we're at 188. Follow along. We're at 188 and then we came all the way down to 187. And then instead of bouncing all the way back up to 188, we bounced all the way to basically 186. We tried bouncing off 186, back to 187. What did happen again? We went back to 186. So now, the question is, do you guys think that we're going to go from 186 to 187 or from 186 to 185? And then you look at the chart and you see the bearish momentum that we're having. And I just know that the higher probability setup is taking the sell. It's with momentum, regardless of it being at support. It's with momentum. It's with price action. The probability is good. That's why I also said if you guys want to take the sell where you guys are at now, I recommend the same 35 pip stop loss because there is a chance that I get stopped out. I'm not saying that, right? But dude, even if I get stopped out, this thing could still fucking melt. It would just mean that it's a fucking horrible entry. I mean, so far it's been a horrible entry. It was a good entry at first, but the same amount we were in profit, we're in drawdown, right? we were basically halfway to take profit. Nah, a little bit less than halfway. Now we're a little bit past halfway to stop loss, but we were a little bit halfway to take profit. Not a lot of people were celebrating. Same people in the trade, halfway to stop loss, their hearts are pounding. You see that? You see the emotion, the weird mix of emotions that happened there from not having that sweet spot risk management number. Andros FX says, bro, can you please do a tutorial about news, stuff like that, to know if the employment rates increases, decreases, if long or short? I am confused with news. I really want to know this. The truth is that there's no, I mean, a lot of the time, like for example, we knew that we were going to have FOMC meetings. This is the FOMC meeting, right? This whole meltdown that we're looking at. The whole time before the FOMC meeting, we were going bullish, rallying, bullish, 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 bullish. We rallied before the news, for the news to just come and melt, right? What does that go to say? It's all calculated in the market, right? You don't, there's no real actual news that randomly comes out and that decides whether the market's going to go at that moment down or up, right? That's all already calculated and done with. So a lot of the times, sometimes you have like, you know, the chart will be melting out. There'll be a whole bunch of sells all day. Out of nowhere, news will come and it will recover all that. Or and it'll be negative news, and it'll be negative news, and it's still, because what happened, the news was already calculated into the market, and then it already sold off. But then by the time the news came, it was already just a little too oversold off, therefore it recovered to the price point where it needed to be. That's usually what you see with the news. You just see a whole bunch of like, it's a random. So my recommendation is trading pure price action when you're focused on news. What does that mean? Focus on what the candlesticks are telling you, because more than not, the candlesticks will give you an indication on where it wants to go. Marcos, they don't know who I am. And this is a little bit of a bad introduction, but I still like this trade. I still really do like this trade. How old am I? I am 24 years old, sir. "24 years younger, sir." Yo sigo soñando contigo, soñando que cuando estamos no necesito nada. I think if the 30 closes bullish, I will manage my risk. Major horizontal Mercedes, that's major. Jesus Christ, man. What country have I always wanted to travel to? I've always wanted to go to like Croatia. I've always wanted to go to like, I don't know, Slovenia, Czech. I don't know, all those like those type of Austria, those type of countries. Those type of European countries seem fucking lit. Beautiful. After that, I'd like to travel to the Norwegian countries. Bali seems a fun place to go. I just Man, I'm a little bit too... I mean, there is high-class places, I guess. I don't know, it's just that flight scares me. Bali is your favorite? I heard you could get like a wife for like $500 over there. Scandalvania, 100%. Elitavania, Illuminativania. Yo sigo soñando contigo y soñando cuando estamos juntos. This is my second Asian session. Is this my second Asian session or is this my third Asian session? I usually trade New York session. I mean, what am I saying? London session, boys. But I just barely sent the Discord link to the chat, boys. If you guys do not have the Discord link, you guys do not have, I mean, whatever, that's where you could be a part of the community. Also, I sent my Instagram. If you guys want to be able to message me privately on Instagram, want to follow along with all the posts that I do daily, Instagram is right there. Dart. I mean, it's Asia session. It usually is a little dead during Asia session. I mean, I have no idea. Truthfully, I'm learning the price action. I'm learning Asia session's price action live with you guys. My first two trades on Asian session were two bangers. I took a trade on gold. It all hit. Took a trade on GJ. It hit. It was a great first performance. Second day, we didn't really take any trades. And now we're on the third day. Yeah, today's the third. Boys, if you guys have not liked the stream yet, boys, please drop a like. Please, look at me right now. I beg you guys. Drop a like, It goes such a long way. Helps the channel so much. All right, focus up a little bit. What's gonna happen here on the charts? Boys, we are coming close to our, we're only 5 pips away. It's like 7 pips away. Maybe 8. All right, I'm exaggerating it. But boys, we are close. We're gonna be getting close to our break even. If you guys don't want to be in this trade anymore, get the fuck out. That simple, right? Now, if you guys want to win with me, or you guys don't mind losing with me, hold that position and let's see what happens, boys. See if it drops and give us 30, or if we walk away losers today for Asia session down 1%. Looking for revenges during London. Go to JPY basket. Hold up. What to do know? Anything is moving. Basically 30 minutes to open on the JPY basket. Man. Break even, save the money for a sniper entry. Yo no necesito nada sin yo soñar. Yeah, it's a great rejection. I scaled in on one of my accounts. Took another trade on took a 20 lot sell. Deep in blues. Is that I took on, I'm passing like, I don't know, 6 accounts right now. And I took the sell here originally on the 50K that's about to get passed. I'll post that today. And then on a different account, while this one was in drawdown, I took a sell here. That's the 20 lot. It's $800 as we speak. What the fuck is this? That's not a good candle. All right, let's just look at that. Bigger candlesticks. Bigger candlesticks make more sense right now. I'm muted. No. I see my audio going. Gold is going to come down to 2039. Dude, gold looks like it needs to come down, but gold is the type of thing where it has a mind of its own. Like, this looks like the most bearish price action you could possibly get. Nonetheless, gold has a mind of its own, man. It really does. No, don't reject it, stupid bitch. Yo sigo soñando. I don't know what I really don't understand. People that wear their watch on their right hand instead of their left. How does that even make sense? Like, you can't even like adjust the little knob thing. You got it on the top. Like, I feel like there's at least one guy here on the stream that has their watch on their right hand, and they kind of looked at it right now, and they stand by it because they've heard somebody say something about it, but they stand on it to the death. Because that's typically what happens with those people. The people that wear the watches on the right hand, it's like you can't tell. They're just like sold on the fact that that's what they feel more comfortable with. It's not what you feel more comfortable with. It's where it's supposed to be or not. Fuck your feelings.
At 42, fresh out of college, she just turned 22. I told her, you need a nigga that's gonna elevate you. She said, fuck 12, but I love my niggas in blue. Being gentle on the left side. Yeah, I'm a killer, but you safe with me. Being gentle on the left side.
Yo, I miss so much being able to stream and put any fucking song that I want to put, boys. If you guys go to my I have 2 more days left with a strike. Is that right now? I have 2 strikes, and if I get the third, they delete my channel. But one of the strikes is gonna go away by like tomorrow or after tomorrow, and after that, we're back to putting on some real music so we can vibe out on the streams. That was the thing that made the stream pop. I don't know what the fuck I did to fucking get them to fucking give me a hard copyright strike. I don't know what the fuck happened. Change the... Why is this guy the only one complaining about my audio though? Tomorrow or after tomorrow, and after that we're back to putting on some real music so we can... Change the... Why is this guy the only one complaining about my audio though? Yeah, bruh, I sound beautiful and crispy, and I look beautiful and crispy. Well, probably not crispy, but definitely, you know, I got my own beauty. I can rap. Loof the goof, loof the goof, loof the goof, loof the goof. Trying to hit stop loss. Loof the goof. No, this guy's hyping me up. This guy's going. maybe I don't know. If I even tried, I probably would have embarrassed myself, and it's on video, and I don't know who the hell's watching this, so fuck that. Loof the goof. He lost. I can't even, like, how the fuck do you rap with Loof the goof? I don't think you can. He's the truth. What rhymes with Loof the goof? Baby. Thank you so much. I just got served. Look at this, boys. Salad. The salad has there's a green screen on right now, so the salad is a lot, like, it does not look like that. It does not even look close to like that. A little bit of rice. Do you guys mind if I eat on stream, or is that bad manners? Should I? Name another trader that trades in a polo shirt. Boys, I'm about to start coming in a suit every single day on stream. Do you think if we come in a suit every single day on stream, it'll cause some... You know, there's a guy I saw that trades with like a face mask on, and he has a shit ton of followers, and he sounds like an idiot, sounds like an Asian. He's like a fucking shit ton of followers. Cali something, Cali boy, Cali, I don't know, something like that. Starts with a C. Discord link has been sent to the chat box right now below. Boys, we are back to break even. If you don't want to be in this trade anymore, you can get the fuck out. People love weird people. That's a fact. That guy's weird as fuck. Why does he wear that mask? He looks like he's a fucking sex character. Like, he looks like he's goddamn in some sort of fucking porn. Like, with that bullshit. I from about Zeal. What it do, Eric? Bandana on the left side. I'm a gangster, but you stay with me. Bandana on the left side, bandana on the left. I'm dead. Why are you dead? I don't get what happened. Mm. So good. Could you guys imagine though? I pulled up to stream every single day in like a, not a tuxedo, yeah, basically a tuxedo, like a jacket, little dress shirt. I look hella pro. ¿Qué hora es ahí? Bueno, el bosquito, el bosquito. It is 8:40 p.m. It is 8 at night. My bad I'm munching out in front of you guys, boys. And girls, maybe, who knows. Where's Dahlia? I haven't seen Dahlia in a minute. I'm gonna message Dahlia. I'm gonna see if I can find her. Bro got me hungry in class. Oh, bro, you in class? Hell no. Let's see, Dahlia. I know she follows me. Found her. I'm gonna send her a video. Where you at, girl? We here on stream. I'm wondering where Dahlia at. No, is that the other day I went out and like I literally like slammed it against like a piece of like table, and like there was like a piece of rock on the sapphire glass, and I thought that I damaged it and scratched it, and there's literally nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Maybe sapphire glass really is like fucking scratch, but like I got a knife right here. I could like fucking scratch the shit out of the glass and don't get scratched. I literally don't say anything. All right. Boys, we are back in profit now. Back to break even. Like I said, boys, if you guys don't want to be in the trade, you can get the fuck out. I don't need you guys to be in my trade with your badass energy or fucking negative ass fucking thoughts. And then everybody just leaves the stream. Boys, how many people are in this trade right now? Do you have anybody actually following me in this trade right now? We got a whole bunch of people watching somebody trade, not even taking trades. Safe to add positions? No, don't add positions. If you didn't add positions when you were in drawdown, there's no point of adding a position when you're back to break even. Like sometimes there is. Me thinking about what I just said, sometimes there is, but I don't know. Right now, I prefer not to. Let's not get greedy. We've been rejecting this 186 level for a fat minute. I don't think that we're going to bounce off this 186 level and go back all the way to 187. 187 is all the way up here. I think that before we bounce off this 186 level, yeah, we might go up a little bit, but I think that at the end of the day, we're coming at least to the 185 600s. 185's down here to this area. That's my perspective on the market. So I'll tell you take profit one. Take profit one is 185 750. Now, for whenever you have the question of what my take profit is, what my stop loss is, what actual trade we're in, or all the trades, boys, make sure you're in the Discord. In the Discord, I'm gonna send the link to the chat box, right? For those listening right now, when you open up the Discord, all you gotta do is look to the left side and look where it says admin signals, and then you'll find the signal Excel. This is the entry I have. This is my first stop loss. What was my stop loss? Take profit. I'm almost done eating. I apologize for those who are hungry people and get triggered by other people eating. My beautiful fiance made me a beautiful salad and with like these like lemon meatballs. Well, it's not a meatball, but it's like a patty. I'm done. Now, my water bottle chug. Knife flip Oh my god, I'm a little bit scared to do this one. Ooh. Knife flip did not work out, but I caught the knife. I don't got space right here. I typically can do my knife flip really easily. That kind of like, did that stab my I'm bleeding, I imagine. Remember when I used to bring the gun on stream and we used to, you know, fucking point it at the chart so they could stop and drop? Maybe we need to use that strategy more. Yo sigo soñando contigo. How come nobody said anything about me fucking throwing a knife in the air and playing around with it? We got a quiet chat room in here, boys. We got 49 people watching. How many likes do we got, boys? If we get to 75 likes, we'll do a giveaway. 5K account giveaway. 5K account giveaway. So one of the people that have been one of my viewers for the last weeks, you know? So if I don't recognize your name, you're probably not going to win. I always ask everybody's names and I ask where they're from. So like, for example, right now, chat, where's everybody from in the chat? Even if you've said it before, where are we from? Because I know that we got, how many people are here from the US? I don't think we got a lot of US people. Tanner's trading and driving at the same time. We got Alfonso from Indonesia. Alfonso, Michael. Alfonso, Alfano. I'm gonna remember that. You're from Indonesia. We got Abe. Shout out to LA. New Zealand. What is STL? Maryland, Germany, New Jersey, North Carolina, Vegas, New Jersey, Munich, Germany, Australia, or Austria. Wow, dude. That's fucking crazy. Yeah, no, I recognize your name. I recognize your name. I definitely did recognize your name. And now I won't ever forget it. You're the guy from Bali, Indonesia. This guy, yo, this guy Basti is hilarious, dude. That's so fucking funny, dude. Basti, like, I think it was last stream. Basti last stream, he was like, yo, bro, what are you smoking? And I was like, bro, it's a cigar. And like, and now he comes back to this stream, and then he's just like, he's like watching, and he's like probably like close, like fucking binoculars out, like, what the fuck is that? Is that it? And then he's just like, is this guy lying to me? Like, what's the Basti? You never seen a goddamn Miami cigar? You never seen a Miami cigar before? Florida boy cigar? American cigar, that's what I like to say, because, you know, like, that's an American cigar right there. I think he said, I think you lie, bro. For sure he said it like in that type of accent. That's hilarious. He thinks I lie, bro. Why would I lie? Why would I lie, Basti? What you know about? What you know about Miami cigars and? He said, "Looks like." It is Basti. Basti, it is. It is what you think. It is what you think, but I think it's what you not know. Think about that for a little bit. Think about what I just said. And when you know what that means, you can get back to me. Bossy is hilarious, dude. Bossy is probably my favorite guy on the stream right now. Got him Gaming, thank you for coming to the stream. Thank you for saying what's up. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the like. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of the community. I really, truly, 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 truly appreciate it. Good luck. See you in London, brother. Alfonso said, yeah, he is. When he was in Bose, I've seen him stoned. Wait. When he was in stream a lot and they friend at home, I think he was freezing. You guys are hilarious, dude. I've never frozen and I've never looked stoned on camera. What the hell? You crazy? You crazy? This guy's hilarious. I didn't understand what he said about the crazy family. Wait, what? You say that a lot of people at my house, and I'm sitting here making money. Oh, you have a whole bunch of people over, and you're just here focused on the stream? I appreciate that, brother. All right. Well, we're basically at break even. We've been on stream for an hour and 40 minutes, and we have not really. We went to like 10 pips in profit, and then we went to like 15, 20 pips in drawdown, and now we're back to break even. Like, and if I said, if you want to get the fuck out of this trade, you can get the fuck out. No bad energy, no bad vibes. No volume. Oh, I thought you meant like on my mic. No volume. Yeah. The market's pretty dead right now, boys. Market's pretty dead. Nonetheless, we are gonna hold our trade. We'll probably stick around a little bit longer. We're sticking around a little bit longer. Boys, make sure that you guys turn on post notifications and you guys turn on post notifications and subscribe. We are going to be streaming London Session. London Session is the session that I'm used to streaming. It's a lot more volatile and like I said, boys, we're on a 4-win streak right now. Let's see if we could possibly get the 5th win right now. All the trades are tracked, so you can see all the trades that I take off by looking at this spreadsheet. Link will be in the comment section as we speak right now. Oh, never mind. Now it is. So if you want to look at the spreadsheet, you could also look at that link that I just barely sent to the chat box, and you guys can see all the trades that I've taken throughout the last months. Basti, you're a bad boy. You're a basti boy. Para aprender a quererte, voy haciendo cumplir tus sueños. Basti was still thinking about what I told him. He said he tried thinking about it and he couldn't get back to me because he didn't know what I said. Honestly, I don't know what I said either. I just tried giving you a hard task to try to wrap your head around. Man, you don't need it to be legal in Indonesia. Why did it need to be legal? Can't you get like married with like fucking 15, 14, 16-year-olds in Indonesia and they don't let you smoke a little bit of waka waka? Like, what the hell? Oh, wow. Jesus Christ. Man, Indonesia sounds like they really don't like the devil's lettuce. Yo, this goddamn chart, man. Get moving. Here I is. What did do Torth the World 24? You joined my channel 2 months ago, so in November. Am I gonna trade the news? What news? A bit confused. Forex Factory. All right, so there's news, and then tomorrow we have Great British Pound news at New York Open. Wow. New York Stock Exchange Open. Interesting. Maybe we hop on at 4 to I don't know. We'll see what happens. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. Loop the goof. Got options. Neville. Nope, not enough volume right now, boys. Nonetheless, that is a continuation candle. I like my sells right now. I love the sells right now. We're hovering around the support level that I think that we're going to break. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Currently on one of the challenges that I'm passing for my clients, I am up $1,700 in the trade that we just took right now. I took a 20 lot sell when we were all the way in drawdown. Can't really see it. I'm gonna hold that bitch all the way. You have no idea. Going all the way with this shit. And yeah, boys, if you guys have any questions about challenge passing, you guys just join the Discord. You see the little Discord, you look at the left-hand side, and then you just scroll to where it says open ticket. You open a ticket and you can ask all the questions you want, and it will be responded to you promptly. Yeah. Currently running some like 30% discount deals as well. St. Louis here, but it dope. Big Dick Dungan will pass. Oh my god. I'll give it my best effort. I'll give it my best effort. Voy a cumplir. Bro, when I was at the golf range today, Tamilius, I've recently started like, you know, getting to the top of my swing and trying to figure out how to like Ernal deviate my wrists, kind of like just like lock it and turn through the golf swing, right? For those who understand, those who don't, just pay attention. And I've been having trouble like trying to actually like get my wrist to cock at the top, you know, and then like follow through. So I was watching a whole bunch of different videos, and instead of like, you know, instead of having like the swing feel thought of like trying to like bend the wrist at the top, the swing feel that I was trying to do is that, you know how if you have like like if you're in the golf swing, how you have like a just basically back swing, but not to my shoulder plane, but underneath my shoulder plane. So when I back swing, it's already trying to get underneath the shoulder, and I'm forced to turn, and then from right here, it's already shallowed out, and I release, and oh my god, I have never struck my iron so. It was like I had like an hour and a half of just shanking balls. Like my swing just completely disappeared. I was just trying new things, and out of nowhere, all I had to do was just throw it into like a lower level plane. And now when I follow through, I felt like goddamn John Ram, dude. Just like the shallow move that I would make was just so pure. I can't wait to go back tomorrow and record it. I'm gonna show you to my ladies. It's disgusting. Such a good fucking move. Like, Jesus Christ. I was really steeping it out. Like, I felt like Joaquin Neiman. Dahlia, what it do? Jesus, where you at? You been, girl? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Means the world. Now it's all about business now, Dahlia. Are you in any trades right now? How have you been trading? Have you been trading live accounts? Have you been trading what have you been doing with your trading journey so far? Search new Kuda Golf Club. New Kuda Golf Club. Bali? Oh my god. If I go to Bali, you take me here? Oh my god. We got a whole bunch of Balinese. Oh yeah. Oh, my bad. Forgot I was on stream, got carried away. Gold did great morning. I'm in GG right now. Took a small break. Much better. Man, whenever you take a break from trading, you always come back and you're always so much more sharper. Breaks in trading are necessary. 100%. You need to step away from the markets and like take a chill pill. Take a chill pill, and it kind of shows that you're not trying to push to try to make money in the learning journey, and you're actually just pushing to try to better your, trading abilities, capabilities, insights, outsides. Hey, sir. Hey, you ain't seen nothing, bro. I'm looking at the look like Pebble Beach. Drop and give me 30. That's what I've been. That's the. Drop and give me. Danny, come here. What? Dude. Oh shit. Look at me, I'm selling as support.
Yeah, no, I'm watching it.
Oh, you're watching? Drop and give me 30? Drop and give me 30! Man, if you guys are in households and you guys are surrounded by women, then you guys are doing very bad to your guys' alpha male health. Let me tell you. Surround yourself. Whenever I get home and I see my buddies, my dudes that I hang around, my day ones, and I don't know where that dude got back from the gym, and I ain't go to the gym and I'm feeling fat, just got back from goddamn eating Wendy's, I get my ass up and I go to the gym. Why? Because I need to get back and show him that I'm not, beneath, but I am at level, And then the third one sees, oh shit, both of these guys went to the gym and I'm over here having fucking got up from bed. What does he do? Gets up from bed, fixes everything, goes to the fucking gym. The next one fucking starts fucking popping off on it's just you just surround yourself with alpha males and you surround yourself with the best of the best, people you trust, and then from there you guys conquer the goddamn world. Why is the dog barking? $20K, you're rich in Bali? God damn, bro. Dahlia, thank you for tuning in and saying what's up. I appreciate it, Dahlia. Drop a like. Make sure you are back for London session, or at least come and say what's up. Thank you so much for being a part of the stream. Yo sigo soñando. Cuando estamos juntos, no necesito nada. Live 2 hours? Yeah, we've been on for 2 hours right now. We're gonna start streaming Asian session and London session, boys. Up until we are reaching 500 people every stream. So we are basically we gotta make this stream 10 times bigger than it is right now. The only way I can do that is with you guys coming back. And the only way I can get you guys to come back is for me to show you guys that I could give you guys winning trades. Multiple winning trades. Set you guys up to be able to trade by yourselves without needing me. But I just need you guys to come back, drop a like, say something in the comment section because it helps the algorithm pump my fucking stream. And then we grow, I grow, you grow, we grow, me grow, white grow. Come on, please melt. It looks like it's gonna reject right now a little bit, but I just want it to fucking melt, dude. So bad. So bad. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is what we needed. So somebody asked me again earlier, why did I sell here at support, right? Just because we're at support does not mean that we need to be taking buys. We zoom out of the chart, look at the 4-hour candlestick chart. We have lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. So when we got to this level of support, which is the 186 flat level that we've been hovering around for a long time, I knew that when volatility came, it most likely was going to just continue to push us downwards because that's what recent price action has been giving us. And I mean, right now we're just flowing. Easily could reach take profit 1, close stop loss to break even, and then target take profit 2. Cuando estamos juntos, yo no necesito nada. Damn, what the fuck is the video that I just recorded? Oh, I hate this. Desktop, maybe? What day is it today? Today's the 31st, so 131, 131, 131, 131. No idea. Yeah, no idea. Can't find what I'm looking for. It's all good. No problemo. Do what you gotta do. So, somebody asked me again earlier, why did... All right, I found what I was looking for. Let me go here, insert this there. Melt, 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 juice it, juice it, juice it. Keep on going, please. Drop and give me 30. Okay, now I need to go to my Gmail on my phone. Hi, do you use leverage? Yes, because I trade off prop firms. So yes, I mean everybody that trades uses leverage. Gold flu? No way. Oh my god. No fucking way. That's exactly why I didn't want to take gold fucking short. I mean, yeah. Jesus. Okay, let me go here. All right. What is going on here? All right, boys. Basically the same thing that we've just been going through. I mean, we're hovering around this level of support. I don't expect us to bounce from 186 all the way to 187 all the way up here. I think we're going from 186 to 185, or at least halfway down to 185. But we're going to trade in the 186 levels. This is all just a bunch of noise happening, low volume. It doesn't scare me. I'm not going to hop out of my trade. I'm not going to do anything different. Just keep on patiently waiting. It really is what it comes down to. Cuando estamos juntos no necesito nada, sigo soñando contigo. Cuando estamos juntos. En vivo y en directo. Dude, gold is a whole nother beast of its own. It's crazy. What MAs do I use? I use the 8 SMA and the 50 SMA. The red line that you see is my 50 SMA. Everything else is the 8. This is the 8 right here. Around 10 Eastern. Well, we have 40 minutes left till 10 Eastern. I guess I'll be on for a little bit longer. Might as well hang out with you guys for a little bit. Then I'm going to get some rest. And then from there, I'm going to hop back on during London session. So we could do London session together. London session is the session that we're used to trading. Or imagine we don't get off. Imagine we just ride it the whole way. That's worse than eating in front. I'm sorry. This is like honestly, it's my distraction for being on the charts. Like instead of me fucking hopping on and trying like this is literally just this one thing that will just keep me here sitting down waiting patiently. No. Wow, how annoying, dude. Well, that's what you get during Asian session, honestly. No complaining. No complaining, just gotta be patient. I'm trying to see if this changes my bias at all. I don't really think so. I think it's just the same thing that's been happening, just bullshit noise. At the same time, we are looking for ways to make FTMO available again for all those. What does it say? We have decided to suspend the purchase of FTMO challenges for our new and existing US clients. Yeah. I currently have FTMO accounts with as a US client with them. I just recently received the payout from them about 2, 3, actually like 4 days ago. I posted it on Instagram, $10,000 withdrawal. Well, 12,500, but they pay you out $10,000. They paid me $10,000 just recently, and I still have that live account with them. I'm currently up with them like $3,000, but my payout's like not this week, but next week. So I'm not going to touch that account until next week, and then I'm going to try risking those 3,000 for potentially like 9. Right now, I'm passing all the other challenges for my clients. Ba, 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 ba. Didn't I say that this will be a short stream? Well, 2 hours is around what I say short stream. I kind of want to know what's gonna happen with this chart. It's like we're in a trade that I'm pretty sure, like, I don't know, it looks really good to me, and the fact that like I'd rather be here alive and celebrate it with you guys, and maybe, you know, get a whole bunch of W's in the chat for me. Anybody currently listening right now is going to be back to my stream for London session. Anybody currently listening right now is going to be back. Type 1 in the chat if you're going to be back for London session. 1's in the chat if you're going to be back for London session. Let's go, Garrett. Darren. Well, I don't know why it's on Garrett. Ah, melt out, please. Melt. se va para la calle en busca de un jangueo donde ponemos diaria, busca y boteo. Se va para la calle. Busca de un jangueo. No tiene amor, ella está puesta para el perreo. La pusieron máquinas y lo vieron tusa. No te puesto para los compromisos. No te puesto para compromiso. Hopefully it's not a wedge, Bastu. Hopefully it's not. Kind of looks like one though. Lo que habla de ella no importa un carajo. No te para compromiso. Alright, what time is it? 9:30. New 30-minute candlestick. Let's see what it does. I don't know, it could be like a descending channel. A channel and a wedge is different. They're two different things. This could be a descending channel and it respects and keeps on going down, or it's actually a descending wedge and it's going to have a reversal pattern for long. So yeah, possibilities. Is that it might be a wedge. Ah, Jesus.
Bosty's hilarious, dude. Bosty is probably my favorite guy on the stream right now.
My boy Bosty. I just saw what you sent.
Bosty's hilarious, dude. Bosty is probably my favorite guy on the stream right now.
All right, how long did it take me to become profitable, man? It took me a couple years, man. It took me around 2-3 years. Basti. Oh my god. This really takes patience, boys. What bothers me is that I just fucking, it looks so beautiful for sales. Like, it looks so beautiful. And it bothers me that it's not. So, ¿qué pasó, Lugo? Biggest dream I have fulfilled so far. Getting engaged. Very slow day today. Todo bien, Lugo? No, we're going back into drawdown. Jesus. Why is this going long also? This looks like it needs to short as well. Euro USD looks like it needs to short. I don't know what the fuck is up with these pairs right now. Yo sigo soñando contigo, soñando contigo. Cuando estamos juntos no necesito mentir. No volume. No reason to complain, honestly. This is what we expect trading Asian session. This is like when fucking Don Vo trades. Jesus Christ. When I first got in this trade, who was it that told me this is going to be a long trade? That guy was completely right. Asian session sleeping. Dude, you guys know how many times I get off the charts and then everything fucking ends up happening and flying and melting, bop, 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 bop. It's like literally every time I'm in a setup like this and then I get off, like 10 to 15 minutes later, it ends up going. Anybody recall that ever happening? For those who come back to my stream daily, like I recall that happening so many times. Every time I'm fucking like leave a trade, I'm like, all right, this is the trade. I leave and then it just fucking goes crazy. And they're like, oh, you should have just waited 5 more minutes. It went crazy. That always fucking happens. So like I have a feeling that I'm like, all right, I'm like I should get off now. Yesterday it also happened, dude. It happens all the fucking time. You see, you see how people in the chat started agreeing? That's the first time that Organic started speaking since he's been here, and he was like, "Oh yeah, you're right, dude." So many times I leave setups, and I'll talk about winning or losing, but so many times I leave setups, we wait for hours, and then I'm like, "All right, guys, I'm gonna get off." I get off, and then like within 5-10 minutes, the things go crazy, and I look at my Discord, and the Discord's full of people talking because they're like, "Yo, bro, the trade this or the trade that or the trade fucking I held," and I'm like, "What?" Yeah, yesterday was with the winning ones. You think it'll work? Think it'll work if I get off right now, boys? Ah. Throw them in the water. I'm from Florida, but my wrist Cuban. Pop it up again. Check it. Magic. Jordani's like, yo, this guy's fucking. You see, that's what happens when you're in a room by yourself talking to a goddamn screen full of. Like, I don't know if you guys are real or not. You guys realize that? Like, you guys, for all I know, could be a whole bunch of goddamn robots watching me, and I will not know. I am down right here, sitting down, talking to a goddamn screen, looking at myself, talking to a screen. I could legit be by myself right now and have a whole bunch of robots watching, and I would not even know. It's like a horror movie. Sure, a helicopter. Melt. What it do, everybody? All right, boys. So, I mean, it's the same. We hopped in right here, and we're basically the same exact spot that we've been in. We went through drawdown, we went through profit. We're in the same spot. There's no reason for you, if you've been in this trade since we've been, like, there's no reason for you to hop out. No reason for you to hop out. It's the same exact thing. Like, nothing's changed. Price action has been the same. It's just low volume, and we're at a level of support that's been holding. It's been holding. I just don't think it's going to hold enough to actually hit our stop loss. I think that we need enough. When momentum comes, it's going to push us to the downside. I mean, the downside is what price action is telling us. I mean, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and like basically we got to make a lower low pretty much right now. We're at one point. So I think I've seen this setup play out so many times. I'm surprised it hasn't played out already. But also, I've never really traded this setup during Asian session. This is a setup I usually take during London session. you feel like it's gonna bleed during London session, guys, make sure that you guys turn on notifications because we're gonna come and stream during London session as well. We are currently on a 4-win streak, boys. I don't get tired of saying it because our last win streak was in November. We didn't trade December, so the last win streak was literally in November. If you guys want to check out the last trades that we have taken, that I have taken on live stream, all my trades are logged for you guys on a spreadsheet so you guys can be able to track them constantly. I just barely sent the link to the chat box. Look at the link in the chat box. We're going to open up the link so you guys can see what you guys would find when you guys open up the link. If you open up the link that shows all my trades, you guys can see, I mean, you guys don't see it, but at the bottom of the screen, at the bottom, there's like a little, it says January, February, March, April, and you go jumping through that. And then I started streaming back in April, and you know, we went on a 9-win streak, then we went on a 10-win streak, then we went on like a 4-win streak, and I don't know. Well, the last win streak we went on at one point was in November, which was this win streak. This is how we performed in November. Then we didn't trade December. Then we started off January very rough, very rough. And now we're on a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on a 5-win streak. Or about to get the 5th win streak. So make sure you guys also join the Discord. The Discord is where you guys will be able to see all the trades that I actually send. So as you guys can see, the last 4 trades that we've actually taken, everything has been, it gets logged and documented. I send like the little screenshot of it not hitting. You see, we closed at break even, and then this happened right now, you know. It shows everything, as well as if you guys, I mean, I don't have any VIP signals. The only thing that I do offer is challenge passing. So if you guys do want to know about the challenge passing, I help pass challenges. You open a ticket right here. You open a ticket and you could ask as many questions as you want, and I will answer them. And then what else? You got the YouTube. This is whenever we stream, post the thing. Oh, and then as well the track record. You could find the track record as well as here. Make sure you guys can, you know, show some love in the goddamn, show some love in the goddamn Discord. Push, push, push. I'm loving it. It's this level of support, man. A lot of people are taking buys right here and they think that the double bottom is going to play out. They think that this level of support is actually going to hold. Man, we've traded. We were all the way at 187. We actually went all the way at 18. We're at 188. Went all the way to 187. From 187 went all the way to 186. We tried going back to 187, rejected halfway there. We're all the way back at 186 right now. We've been ranging at 186. I have a strong feeling we're coming down into the 185s. This support level right here will get disrespected. Maybe it gets disrespected and then we come back into the range and might take profits too far away. That's a potential, right? I don't think so, but that's a possibility. But what I do know is that we are breaking these goddamn lows, man. Like, they gotta be broken. I just need some momentum to come into the chart. We're gonna have a candlestick closing in 7 minutes, the hourly. It's going to be 10 p.m. Eastern, and that's supposedly when we're supposed to see some volatility in Asian session. But it's been a very quiet session compared to the last few Asian sessions. What it do, Wesley? Dude, you You caught the crazy gold. You caught the gold move. You were in it. You put my stop loss and you put the take profit. That's dope. Man, I wish when I was starting to trade that I had somebody. Oh, you didn't catch it. Oh, it's fine. Dude, I've never really experienced. I mean, like, I've had some people that have like popped off with my trades. I mean, the track record speaks for itself and everything. But like, I don't know. I wish that when I was starting to trade, I had somebody who I kind of like consistently relied on to take good trades, so I could like fucking try to put my luck with his and see what we could do. You know. But man, my, like, for example, Wesley, this is my spreadsheet. I'm not sure if you've seen it before. This is April. April's our first month that we started streaming. I usually had like 10 to 15 streamers. We went on a 9-win streak. April, right after, I was already amazed with the 9-win streak. Super amazed. I wouldn't take a trade every session. There were so many sessions where I wouldn't even take a trade. And here we were reaching like 30, 40 viewers. And again, I went on a 10-win streak. And I had, dude, fucking no idea. Like at one point, it just kept on coming. And I, after going on a 9-win streak, I didn't even know I could do it again. Then I went on a 10-win streak, and then after that, I was like, you know, like this is my thing. And then from there, June we didn't trade a lot. July started seeing a lot more losses because I was trying to make up for June that we didn't take a lot of trades. So July, the more trades you take, the more chances losses are coming. And look at that, 68%. That's like, I think the lowest that I did. It was 68%. I've been trading at a high 80%. Then it was like middle 80%, and now it's like fucking low. High 70% because of that 68%. And then we got another 69%. This wasn't too flawless. Nonetheless, we went on an easy 5-win streaks are easy to go on. You know, the 5-win streak is easy. It's kind of like the 7, 8, 9, 10 where it gets really fun. November was the last month that we had. October was a little bit dull, but November we came hot. December we went on vacations. Back in January right now, started off rough, but we got hot. And when it's funny, when we got rough, I told the whole stream, hey, I know it's looking a little bit rough right now, but I just said, look at the statistics. If I'm rough right now, look at the statistics. Usually when I go through a rough stage, it doesn't last too long. I could get a couple losses in a row, but like at the end of the day, I'm going to go back to winning. And I'm not saying to fucking come to the stream and try to take my trade and fucking rely on me to make you money. I'm not saying do that. I'm trying to say just focus on those factors that determine whether I'm profitable or not. Like these factors, the factor of me taking 1 or 2 trades a session, the factor of me logging the trade, the factor of me using 35 pip stop loss, the factor of me riding with momentum, the factor of me understanding the momentum candlestick, all the things that I teach completely. And I'm a goddamn machine that repeats the goddamn same things again and again and again and again and again and again every stream. For the people who fucking have been joining me for the last few months, every time I start going on these rants, man, they probably put the volume down. Like we got Tamilius in here voluming down this bitch. We got a whole bunch of people that have heard me say all this goddamn things so many times that they're just like, yeah, he's going back at it. But it's fine. They understand because they've realized that it's not just blah blah blah. It's real shit. Like I'm speaking truth. I'm speaking some sense into these people that don't have any guidance into the trading world. Paul, I know you probably one of them, and you're like, oh, this man's again. I mean, and like sometimes I go on these rants that people probably repeat the same words as I repeat at the same time. Right, yeah. Like there's probably people that fucking know exactly what I'm about to say and they say it at the same time that I'm saying it. Boys, I'm not gonna end the stream, but I gotta go upstairs for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I hate living in a goddamn 3-story goddamn apartment in this States. I gotta run up hella stairs right now. 1 second, boys. I am back. No way! How the fuck is it going up now? Dude. Jesus Christ. Like, stop playing. Oh my god. I could have sworn that I was gonna get back to this thing melting. That's the new candlestick? Wait, oh, there's no 2-hour candlestick. Where's the new? Oh, that's the new hourly. Oh, that's fine. Oh, this shit's gonna probably melt. One second, boy. No. There's a chance that that's a momentum candlestick and that's gonna go upwards. No way there's actually gonna be a double bottom on this goddamn chart, dude. Who the hell trades the double bottoms anymore? That is the noobiest thing I've ever goddamn heard of and seen. And it's playing out as we speak. Bro, my jacket is green and it's a horrible idea to wear it. Like, my camera's blurring out because it doesn't even understand what's happening. Like, what the fuck? Oh no, it's on backwards. It's on backwards. I thought that the green screen was making it blue. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with me? Boys, don't do drugs. Children. Kids. Ugh, the jacket is green though, so I thought that the green screen was gonna fuck with it. Okay. Nah, it doesn't fuck with it. that was Jesus Christ. Smoke Pueblo. Oh, it's cold. I open up the windows, kind of like air out this bitch a little bit. Come on. Yo sigo extrañando. Cuando estamos juntos no se necesita nada. Brother, the new driver is dialed. No. I fucked up. Is this gonna respect or what?
Session. It's been a very quiet session compared to
What it do, King City? Everything straight, brother? What did I do with that cash? Oh, I left cash in my car. Just thought about that. Australia's in the house right now. Do 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 do. That new hourly candlestick really brought nothing to the market. Now we're starting to go a little bit. Useless as fuck. Waste of time, guys. Time is money. That's why I went and I bought my two-door. Man, I love the two-door. This watch, I bought it because I was in Vegas. And everybody had watches on and shit. And I was like, yo. I went out and I didn't have a watch. And I was pissed as fuck. So I went to fucking the store. Well, it was next to the Omega store. I was about to get an Omega Constellation because I can't afford a Speedmaster. I'm not that type of guy. Actually, I can, but check it. It has diamonds on the face, factory diamonds. It's 41 millimeter. The bracelet's fucking awesome. 14K little fucking bezel, whatever the hell. It's just a normal. It's like a. It's not beautiful. It's not horrible. I mean, I love it. I mean, it's beautiful. I just know that it's not everybody's favorite cup of tea. But for me, I love it. I think it rocks hella fire with like black on black outfits. And it's a fun and beautiful brand. It's from Tudor. It's a day date. It has the date and the date function. As in, it says the date and it says the date. Not sure if you guys know what that means. I just recently got into watches. Basically when I was in Vegas. Richard Mille coming soon, I wish. So you see, it says Wednesday because I have the date function wrong. It says Wednesday, and then it says the date also on the right. Oh, for you guys, like left-hand side. The thing is that these watches are Swiss watches. They, you know, they actually clock themselves with movement. You know, and if you don't wear the watch, I have multiple watches, so I always swap them out. And if I don't wear this watch, and I think it's a 36-hour power reserve, so I can move it around and it winds up. But then if I don't move around for 36 hours, and I gotta fucking do everything, and there's actually certain times of the day that you're not supposed to like take it out and change the time because you could damage it, and it's very easily damaged if you do it at the wrong time, like from 8 to 2 or something. I don't fucking know. Who the hell actually looks at their watch for the time? My thing says Wednesday. I'm about to fucking gas. It's honestly a little boy watch though. There's usually when you go to like a watch, I mean it's a nice watch, but it's a little boy watch. Bro, what is your net worth? Millionaire? Damn, no, I'm not a millionaire. Damn, I'm not even close to being so that's how you lose all your viewers. This guy said millionaire. I got like $1 million in fucking Dogecoin. Got a couple million in Dogecoin. Boys, I'm gonna have to pull the trigger. We're going 3 hours into the stream. We're supposed to start London stream in 4 to 5 hours. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any sleep. And I feel like if I get off, it might melt. If I get off and it melts, I need everybody to go active in the Discord chat. If I get off and it melts, we all get active in the Discord chat. Boys, let's see each other. Let's come back during London session. Regroup during London session, and if not, late London. Late London due to the fact that we have news at 7:30. We got fucking shit going on at fucking 7 and 7:30 and 8:30. We're gonna see a choppy London session. We're gonna come on during London session, but we're gonna see a choppy London session. All right, so be patient for me to get onto London. We get onto London and try to see if we make it all the way to New York and try to catch some crazy ass volatility. And when the markets are pumping, going up and down, well, it's gonna be fun. We're all gonna be up and down. You know, some people are gonna be crying, some people are gonna be celebrating, some people are gonna be fucking trying to hop into more trades and blow their account. What we know is that we're gonna get a lot of blown accounts. So, boys, thank you for joining the stream. Thank you for being a part of the fucking channel. Thank you for commenting and keeping me entertained and coming back and dropping a like and shit like that. And always having positivity. Thank you so much. I adore you guys, brothers and sisters. Hopefully when I leave, this thing starts melting, because that's usually what happens. The chart just doesn't want me to see it. They don't want us to win together. Much love to everybody. See ya.